Now we've looked at our S-curves and our project KPIs, we can start to look at individual activities. And we can do this by going to the list of activities element of the screen here. Now this gives us a tabular format for us to analyze whatever we want to analyze, and it allows us to download it and manipulate the data in a far easier way than the scheduling programs do. So for example, what I could do here is say, I only want to look at completed activities. And what I can do on here is I've got two options. I've got a select, so a filter within here, and I can insert columns to this table, so any of these columns. If I click on them, I can order these columns. And what I can also do is I can filter. So if it is a date format like this or a number format, I can actually do a filter here and look at, for example, between certain dates. Now, if I order by current start date, within the program, for activities that have been completed, I can start doing, for example, a predictability analysis where I see that all of these have been actualized, they were delivered on time, which is the green underneath, and I can follow down and I can start seeing scope creep and I can start seeing delays both to start, finish, and duration. This opens up a wealth of possibilities. So for example, one thing I have seen customers do is to insert a coding structure which is specific to each contractor or subcontractor below. They will pull up the progress data and they will analyze the average start accuracy, finish accuracy, and duration accuracy of those customers. So they can say things like, you on average start activities a week late. They take a week longer and end because of that 2 weeks later. Why should I believe, given that you don't have this much float in your program, that you are going to deliver on time? We need a proactive conversation about how we can either increase your productivity or put buffer into the program so that we're not delayed.